Friends, today we are taking you to one of the most powerful and dangerous places on Earth, an offshore oil platform. This is where the black gold comes from, the resource that drives the entire global economy. Just think for a moment, your car's fuel, the gas in your home, even the plastic in your phone, all of it begins its journey from a place like this. But have you ever wondered how oil travels from deep beneath the earth to your hands? The process is complex, dangerous, and absolutely fascinating. Let's start from the beginning. Offshore oil platforms are massive structures, built in the middle of the ocean because a large portion of the world's oil is hidden deep beneath the seabed, trapped inside rock layers. To extract it, engineers have designed incredible structures known as oil rigs. These platforms can be fixed to the seabed, float on water while anchored, or operate as floating production storage and offloading vessels, also known as FPSOs. Some of these structures are as tall as 300 to 600 feet and can house up to 500 workers who operate 24/7. These workers live on the platform for months, with facilities like helipads, dining areas, and even hospitals. Now comes the most exciting part, drilling. The process begins with a powerful machine called a rotary drill. At the end of it is a drill bit made of extremely strong materials like diamond or tungsten carbide, capable of cutting through hard rock. This drill goes thousands of meters deep, passing through ocean water, seabed rock, and multiple geological layers until it reaches the oil reservoir. During drilling, a special fluid called drilling mud is pumped down. This is a carefully engineered mixture that cools the drill, reduces friction, and controls pressure. Because underground pressure can be extremely high, there's always a risk of a blowout, an uncontrolled release of oil and gas. To prevent this, platforms are equipped with a massive safety system called a blowout preventer, which can seal the well instantly in emergencies. Once the well is ready, oil extraction begins. Sometimes natural pressure pushes oil to the surface, but when pressure drops, engineers use pumps or inject gas to maintain flow. However, what comes out is not pure oil. It's a mixture of crude oil, natural gas, water, and other materials. To separate these, the platform uses a three-phase separator where gravity separates water at the bottom, oil in the middle, and gas at the top. The gas is either burned or transported, while the water is treated or re-injected. The crude oil is then processed, filtered, and stored. A medium-sized platform can produce up to 200,000 barrels per day. This oil is stored in a floating vessel called an FPSO, which acts like a moving storage facility and can hold millions of barrels. Inside, sensors monitor everything continuously. Finally, a massive tanker ship arrives, a VLCC, one of the largest ships in the world. The oil is carefully transferred from the FPSO to the tanker with precise control. And just like that, the oil begins its journey across the world, eventually becoming fuel, gas, and everyday products. This entire system is an engineering masterpiece operating in one of the harshest environments on Earth.